बंदा ना कभी कभी बड़ा मजबूर हो जाता है यार, चाह के बिना कुछ कर नहीं पाता है।
मैं समझ सकता।
तू ही नहीं, कोई नहीं समझ। जिस बंदे पे बीत रही है ना, सिर्फ वो बंदा।
So before you judge me for not replying on time, for cancelling plans, for keeping you guessing, हुआ क्या है इसको? Let me tell you something. I was not lazy. I was just unheard. कभी कभी ना खुद से भी बात करना मुश्किल था। लगता था मेरी बातें जरूरी नहीं है, इसीलिए मैंने लिखना शुरू किया। But still, I just kept thinking. And yes, smiling was way easier than explaining. फिर एक दिन मुझे कुछ मिला. Not a person, not a friend, but एक blank canvas. They called it UI UX design. But for me, it was a language that didn't need perfect grammar. It just let me feel my way through. It didn't ask me to speak louder. It simply listened. Design became a rhythm for me. Click, drag, align, feel. Not for aesthetics, not for trends. I design because I care. मैं डिजाइन कर रही थी quiet spaces for people like me. जो जितना महसूस कर पाते हैं उतना समझा नहीं पाते। Because come on, a designer with emotions is not a bad thing. Fact says that 68% of users abandon a brand because they feel the company doesn't care. Let's not forget that we don't leave bad interfaces. Everyone is behind interfaces these days. कि डिजाइन का मतलब जो दिख रहा है बस वही. No, we don't leave bad interfaces. Rather, we leave bad experiences. अगर यूजर आपके एप्लीकेशन को यूज करते टाइम सेटिस्फाइड ही नहीं है, वो यूज कर ही नहीं पा रहा है, उसका एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा नहीं है, सेटिस्फैक्शन है ही नहीं, तो इंटरफेस इतना ब्यूटीफुल करके क्या फायदा? Why are we forgetting this fact that design is not about impressing anyone? It's about understanding everyone.
माफ कर देना। अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं।
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
आपके इस बड़े से महल में किसी भी कोने में पड़ा रहूंगा।
मेरे बारे में तुम्हारे अलावा कोई नहीं जानता।
But you know what? Today I understand that voices like mine gets unheard. And on top of it, they'll label you as she's not too fast, her concepts are too emotional, the color she's using is not too loud.
बहुत तकलीफ होती है जब आप योग्य हो और लोग आपकी योग्यता ना पहचाने।
My work got skipped. I paused. I even started questioning myself. But I stayed. Because I carry strength like steel. The kind Jamshedpur has shaped in furnaces for decades. So bro, this zeal is unbreakable. And yes, just like our city forges steel, now it forges professionals like me. Because let's not forget, India's 60% of graduates come from towns like this. Talent doesn't need a skyline. It just needs someone to believe in it. इसीलिए जब मैं डिजाइन करती हूँ, I remember her, the girl on the fourth bench, who didn't wanted to distract herself, neither wanted to be seen. Now I understand what she was looking for. Her space, her comfort. Therefore, I don't design to simply decorate. I design to comfort. Because sometimes the best user experience is finally being heard. I was never lazy. I was just learning how to listen. how to listen to myself. I was learning how to feel and how to make others feel too. So, before you judge me, understand what silence hides. And for those like me, suno, you're not lazy, you're just unheard. If you are here in this video up till now, consider liking it, comment your views and subscribe to this channel. Also share this video with 3 professionals you know in Jamshedpur because I was thinking of a branch. आज के लिए बस इतना ही.